Hello guys, for today's video guys, I am the Haciendero. Yeah, Haciendero. This is my view for today. So actually this is part of our property, but then since the property was been divided to my 4 siblings, so this property is belong to my brother, which is the third sibling. So I came here to to check what's going on. It's because as you can see, makikita nyo guys, the bushes are so tall. Yes, and from here my area also is there, which is my rubber farm. On that part, my rubber farm. So yes, it is just at bang. And I am with my friend here named Lucilo. Lucilo, boy? Boy. So we have our juice here. It's really hot, guys. So I will do that sometime to make money. But then, so yes. This is the view here. It's been a while since I'm not doing these things, but yeah, later on maybe I will going to help cut the bushes. There's some people here guys, that's the way is to make money for living. Ayos lang ba dyan, busing?
Ayos lang.
Medyo may katigasan din yan ba?
Oo.
Yan ang ayaw ko talagang putulin. I hate that grass.
Matalon lang yung ba?
Oo, matulis siya.
Manghabas.
This is actually a bladed grass, guys. You can have cuts on this. Nasusugatan tayo dito. Masyadong mainit, grabe. Kaya sa mga kabataan dyan, study hard. Boy, no? Kayong pabulakbol sa pag-aaral. Because here in the Philippines, masyadong mahirap maghanap ng trabahong matinok.
Ano pag wala ka pinag-aralan ngayon?
Yes, you have to work hard. If there is some, young audiences who watch these videos, and for those who are watching this, parents who watch this, you better told your children that they are so lucky enough that they have a parents who's willing to send them to school in any cost. Because if they are not going to, study hard, the life will be like this. Yeah. But anyways, I will show you the view here. So this would be the view here, guys. It's a chicken farm there, and I guess the Mount Apo is visible here sometimes. There are times that the Mount Apo, which is the longest or the tallest rather active volcano, something like that in, I'm not so sure if in the Philippines, but as far as I know, in the Mindanao region. Soon to rise dito yung mansion mo, boy. Mansion mo soon to rise dito.
Oh.
Kaibigan ng aking kaibigan. Anong may papayo mo sa mga taong mapanghusga, pare?
Ano lang, iwasan nyo yan, saka huwag nyo ugaliin yung mga mapanghusga. Makikita ninyo yung mga tao na sa tingin nyo walang-wala. Kung mas maaari, tulungan natin at saka huwag nating pabayaan. Saka ang importante doon, yung nakipagkapwa ka ng parang kahit ibang tao, ituring mo siya ng parang kapatid mo. Ganun yung magandang pag-ugali. Or either kung ano man yung nakita mo sa kanya,
Wag mag-judge.
Wag mo siyang i-judge. Kasi hindi natin alam kung ano ang plano ng Panginoon sa kanya.
Correct.
Sa tao na yan. So, yun lang. And God bless you.
Gani natin trabaho dire. Mag-vlog. So yeah, that's it. What he's trying to say, guys, is don't be so judgmental, because we don't even know when the time comes for us. See? Instead of, judging people, especially for friends, why we should not help them? Right? Because we don't know. Today we are on the top, on the other day we're on the the bottom or in the beneath whatsoever. So judging someone is really not a good attitude. Kaya kanya-kanya man talaga ang buhay natin. Hindi natin alam kung kailan tayo papanigan ng panahon. Hanggat nagsisikap ka,
Opo.
meron kang mararating. At huwag mong husgahan kasi hindi porket ikaw yung meron at that certain point of time, ikaw na talaga, because hindi mo alam. The world is, revolving. That's it.